Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Apple gift card to buy Apple products. So some of you might have your Apple gift card and thinking of trying to buy some Apple products. So what you can do is just go to the App Store of your iPhone and make sure you're logged in with your account. As you can see, I am logged in with my account. So if you're not logged in, just enter your email address and your iCloud address and your password, and once you click on sign in you will be able to log in with your account. And once you're logged in you will see an interface like this. So just go to your profile section, and once you go to profile section, scroll down a little bit and you will see many options. So just choose this option like redeem gift card and code. Just choose this option, do not go anywhere else. Just click on this option, redeem gift card or code, and it will take you to the next tab, and it might take a few seconds to load, so wait for it until its loading is completed. And once it is completed you will see an interface like this, redeem your gift card using the camera on your device. So you can just also enter your code manually, or which is on your gift card, or you can use the camera to enter the code. So let's say I want to enter the code manually, so just click on it and enter the code here. And once you're done, just let's say I put this random code, and once you enter the code, click on done and click on redeem. And once you click on redeem, your gift card will be redeemed and it will be added to your Apple wallet. And from that you can buy any purchases on your iTunes or Play Store or whatever. That is your choice. So that is a simple process of how you can use Apple gift card to buy Apple products.